11 plants you can keep and grow in water. Hello to all our dear viewers. In this video, we are going to talk about some well-known plants that you can easily grow in water. These plants are not only beautiful but also easy to care for, making them perfect for decorating your home or workspace. So stay with us as we introduce these beautiful plants and learn how to take care of them in water. Important tips for growing plants in water: use chlorine-free or distilled water. Change the water every few weeks. Place the plants in a spot with proper lighting. Indirect light is best if the roots grow too large. You can transfer the plant to soil.by following these tips. You can create a beautiful collection of indoor plants grown in water that are both attractive and easy to maintain. Having plants and flowers in the home brings a special sense of freshness and vitality, helping to uplift the human spirit. However, many people avoid keeping plants indoors due to the mess caused by soil and insects. If you're one of those who love plants but struggle with the challenges of maintaining them, we recommend trying hydroponic plants. These plants grow in water and do not require soil for their growth. Plants that grow in water. Wandering Jew plant. The wandering Jew, with its beautiful colors and unique patterns on the leaves, is one of the plants that easily grows in water. If you've pruned this plant yourself, simply place the cuttings in water and allow them to grow sufficiently. Impatiens. One of the best plants for shaded areas is the impatiens. This plant requires high humidity, making it an ideal option for growing in water. If the plant's growth slows down, simply take a few stems and place them in a container of water. African violet. One of the most beautiful flowers with a variety of colors is the African violet. Its velvety leaves enhance its beauty even more. African violets are among the plants that can grow in water, and propagating them through this method is quite easy. It typically takes about 1 to 1.5 months for the stems to develop roots, gradually forming a complete plant. Lucky bamboo. For caring for this plant, it's best to choose tall and narrow vases. To keep your bamboo healthy, make sure that the stem is submerged in water up to the 5th node. You can use pebbles or small decorative items at the bottom of the vase to provide support and create friction for the stems. Pothos. The beauty and high resilience of this plant have made it even more popular. Pothos plays an important role in oxygen production and purifying the air from toxins and negative energy. Philodendron. Another plant that can be grown in water is the philodendron. Indirect light is sufficient for its growth. For better growth, replace the water in the container every 3 to 4 days. Coleus. To propagate coleus, cut a 15 to 25 cm stem. Remove the lower half of the leaves from the stem and place it in water. This plant should be kept in a sunny spot, and for the best results, you can feed it with coleus-specific fertilizer once a month. Spider plant. Spider plants are sensitive and require extra care. You can root the small spider plantlets in water and then transfer them to a new pot. Alternatively, you can keep them in water for a longer period, and after they develop roots, change the water every 2 to 3 days. peperomia. Easy care, high resilience, and adaptability to various conditions make this plant an excellent choice for homes and offices. Dracaena. This plant is tall, so it's recommended to use tall glass containers or narrow vases. For better growth, change the water in the container 2 to 3 times a week. Purple heart plant. The purple heart plant is a different variety of the wandering Jew, and the only similarity between them is the purple color of their leaves. To have a purple heart in a glass container, you should prepare suitable cuttings, remove the lower leaves, and place the stems in water. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or experiences with growing plants in water, feel free to share them with us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.